Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, coach Mamelodi Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso recognized as one of the best coaches in the world. Cabanga bafethu, kuba bonke coach abakhona emhlabeni uMiguel Cardoso bamlistile as one of the best coaches in the world of 2025. Siyazi ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns idlale kahle kakhulu FIFA World Cup. By knock out ku-first stage or kuma-group stages of the competition, but-ke ikwazile ukuwina ama-hearts of abantu around the world in terms of ukuthi i-team yase-Afrika ibonisa i-strength ne-pedigree. Ngifuna ukuya ku-statement sami Miguel Cardoso sihlaziye kahle ukuthi uthini lo baba. Uthi keys to my family, uya-react noma uya-reflect laphana. Uthi-ke ujabule kakhulu ukuthi bamnominate laphana ku-2025 Club Coach of the Year Award by i-IFFHS. iMamelodi Sundowns coach yaqhubeka uthi-ke ukuthi bamrecognize yena indaba yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi kwazile ukuwina, yaba excellent, yaba nama-performances a-right nama-trophies. Well, iMamelodi Sundowns last year zange ibe this season, esikhulumela this season, zange ibe nama-trophies, ibe ne-trophy elilodwa. Ubaleke nama-record ne-prestige. Uyaqhubeka nje ukukhuluma ngezinye. But to be fair, I mean, for me, I think Miguel Cardoso, I'm not saying he's a bad coach, but he's not one of the best coaches in the world. We saw this thing, he was parachuted by ama-Europeans ngoba u-European coach. I doubt if umuntu omnyama bekuposition yeMamelodi Sundowns bebazomrecognize nokumrecognize. I'm not doubting i-Sundowns in terms of ibhola abadlala i-pedigree nanokuthi bayacompete. I'm doubting uMiguel Cardoso ukuthi he's one of the best coaches in the world. No ways bafethu. The muntu lo ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns athi no, ayasho ukuthi ayikho indaba kaMiguel Cardoso akahambe kuMamelodi Sundowns because of bona. It's not just about ukuwina kuphela, it's about ibhola elimnandi without i-flair. Bane-style of play as iMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke under Miguel Cardoso lelo bhola lelo selivele lashabalala. Kusho ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns akusho mina bafethu. So iliphi ibhola elimnandi alidlalayo? I think this shows ukuthi ayibhola linaqiniso. I remember i-president yebhola lasePortugal, i-president bafethu yebhola lasePortugal yambhalela incwadi after i-FIFA Club World Cup, imcongratulate ukuthi wenza kahle kakhulu. They even gave him something laphana ePortugal ukuthi ulide i-team yase-Africa ku-continental level. And guess what? Kuma-interviews laphana e-America waclaim ukuthi yena i-style uyasiclaim i-style seMamelodi Sundowns, ishushane and piano. Ukhuluma ngaso ukuthi safomiwa kanjani. Is putting himself in a position ukuthi he's the best coach in the country, in the continent or whatever. He's not one of the best coaches in the world, to be fair. He's not. He's playing for a well-structured team and the facilities are right, or he's coaching, but he's not one of the best at all. Ibhola lakhe bafethu liphuwa. Mamelodi Sundowns abantu bebayisaba kakhulu, manje abayisaba abantu Miguel Cardoso. Yes, Mamelodi Sundowns, they are able to collect some point because of him, i-pedigree yabo nama-individual brilliance, but-ke as uMiguel Cardoso is not one of the best. I want to go to this statement. Ama-fans, ifende Mamelodi Sundowns, sithi as iMamelodi Sundowns sesiluze i-entertainment side of igame yethu, siba serious kakhulu, and njengoba siloke si-serious kanje asinawo nama-trophies to show for it ukuthi si-serious as iMamelodi Sundowns. I think lana ucabanga i-Carling knockout ukuthi bawanokhile, banokha out naku-MTN 8 la banokhe khona i-Orlando Pirates, and then ku-Carling banokhe i-Marumo Gallants. Uyaqhubeka laphana ifende Mamelodi Sundowns uthi as Sundowns they used to entertain, uthi not lezi zinto zeyitayela iy'kili, but-ke pure entertainment. Uthi-ke ukhumbula laphana ngesikhathi sabo Andile Jali, he would shout of the likes of Andile Jali would shout ungenile and exchange passes like nobody's business when the game was ours. Reflector ifende Mamelodi Sundowns uthi those moments can motivate the supporters to be patient with the cup struggles. So uthi last season laphana Gesi Magesi, uthi uThemba Zwane, Aubrey Modiba, uNeo Maema, they orchestrated that. Kusho ukuthi badlale nge-style seMamelodi Sundowns and ama-supporters weMamelodi Sundowns akuthandile lokho, noma ngithi wakuthanda lokho. But yeah, I think uMikel Carlos ulakho kuba nama-individuals laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns ama-players a-strong. Khona ama-players akwazi ukuwumela without i-coach laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Khona ama-senior players, khona ama-players like a-brilliant. For example, obviously ubheke uPeter Shalulile, uReynolds, yabona uma ubheka uReynolds kakhulu, uReynolds uyaku-assistela, uyakukorela, u-deadly laphana phambili, uyingozi. He's one of the best strikers on the African continent, not just for iMamelodi Sundowns. Naye kunama-rumours ukuthi amanye ama-teams ambhekile laphana e-Europe and i-market yakhe noma ngithi i-value yakhe seyikhuphukile bafowethu, is close to 50 million manje i-value. And guess what? I don't think iMamelodi Sundowns ingamthengisa lo mdlali lo nge-50 million. I assume they would want more than 50 million if kuzoba ne-team emfunayo uReynolds because akusiyi-selling team. Elinye iside bafethu engifuna ukukhuluma ngalo i-Golden Arrows, i-technical team yabo yenza kahle kakhulu bafethu in terms of ukuphusha abafana laphana egrawundini ukuthi bathole ama-results nanokuthi bathole ama-combination a-right akwaziyo ukulethela i-team ama-results. I mean so far this season bawina amagame awu-5 as i-Golden Arrows, badraw igame eyodwa, bashawa amagame ayi-6, badlala amagame awu-12. So bana-16 points. It's not bad uma ubheka ama-point abanawo, bahleli laphana ku-number 9. I mean 16 points, it's not like they're one of the highest performing teams, but-ke uma ubheka i-structure sabo, ubheke ama-resources abanawo are-limited, i-team lena e-super strong. I mean yonke ishaya iMamelodi Sundowns this season bafowethu. So i-team e-strong, technical team, they've really worked with the bare minimum they have and bayayisiza ngempela i-team ukuyishapha. Uma ubheka laphana bona bashaya amagoli awu-16 goals scored. So bona ukuthi bazophelela lapha, I think I can easily predict ukuthi bazophelela ku-top 8 if bayaqhubeka like every 12 games bawina 5 games, meaning that on average they will be close to around 14 wins or 13 wins a season, and leyo nto ibabeka ku-29 points plus-ke let's say nama-draws amanye, so bazoba sesayidini eli-right kakhulu ukuthi basurvive and possibly bakwazi ukulwela i-top 8. Elinye isayidi-ke but iMarumo Gallants ngeke ngakhuluma ngeke ngiloye ngincoma phela kudala. But-ke idlala kahle kuphela emeyidlala nama-big teams because elikini yona inama-points awu-13 in 12 games. Mayidlala nama-big teams iba serious, but mayidlala nama-team alingana nayo amancane, hayi ayiliboni elidlalayo. Umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns, one of my favorite players, first time ngambona lapha eMakhulong Stadium badlala ne-Highlands Park, uMkhulise bafethu, i-player good kakhulu. Simbonile kuMamelodi Sundowns adlala previous game. Uhlala ebhentshini kakhulu umfethu, simkhohlwe nokumkhohlwa thina ukuthi ukhona. But-ke this picture sibonisa ukuthi uhambule nanokuthi uyakwazi ukusiza ama-players wakhe noma ama-teammate wakhe abaqoqela izinto mebedlala. I-understand ukuthi isikhala sakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns maybe at the moment asikho, but-ke lokho ngeke kumenze ukuthi ajikele i-team yakhe. I-team le yakhe into e-right kakhulu umfethu lento ayenzayo. So u-Orlando Pirates coach bafethu i-commentile ukuthi uMakhawula noNda ba-trainer full manje ne-Orlando Pirates, uthi-ke bazi-trainer nje normally, uthi u-happy because of ama-player abaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. Uthi benza kahle kakhulu. I think la ukukhulumela ukuthi benza kahle kakhulu in terms of ejimini because of asikakababoni ku-match day squad la expecte ukuthi singababona abafana babuye laphana ku-defense. Orlando Pirates noku-struggle ngama-aerial balls, abantu abaningi babekhuluma ngayo lento leyo ukuthi uNda angakwazi uku-change izinto ku-Orlando Pirates nokusolva iy'nkinga ze-Orlando Pirates, but-ke sokulele kubo ukuthi bamisa kanjani i-squad sabo ukuthi well-equipped, but-ke u-coach Orlando Pirates kubonakala ngathi unawo ama-player awathembayo. But I think sase-rotation ukuzama ama-players a-different laphana, a-different ku-midfield. Bonke abafana kubonakala ngathi bazoyithola i-opportunity ukuthi badlale and then kulale kubo ukuthi bazokwazi ukuperforma or they won't be able to perform. Hugo Broos, i-coach yeBafana uthe ufile ukuthi Orlando Pirates iphume ku-Carling knockout ukuze bona bazokwazi ukuprepare ukuze bazokwazi ukuprepare early, yes, when they are going to prepare for i-CAF No, i-AFCON. Yabona-ke le nto yokuzela bafowethu, yokwenza lezi zinto zizela sisho izinto ey'ngekho. But yeah, sibafisela inhlanhla ku-AFCON. Ba-select ama-player-ke a-right, a-well equipped ukuthi angakwazi ukurepresent-a laphana. But-ke umfowethu Hugo Broos une-coach yakhe already. Ngizovala nge-former Kaizer Chiefs star uMngezana ukhonside ipenalty laphana because ubambe ibhola ngesandla inside the 18 area. But-ke umphathi wakhe ukwazile ukumprotect ukuthi okay, ayikho into kuleya position leya bengayenza. Njengoba bashawe yini FC Basel or Basel le Switzerland, yes, I think Switzerland, yes. But yeah, simfisela inhlanhla uNgezana, and then siyazi ukuthi last season u-attract i-interest kakhulu ebholeni lase-Europe, but ayikho into ebe-right yamaterialize ukuthi umfana akwazi ukujoyina i-team entsha. But ngicela ukuthi bambana, danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.